Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by putting in your AirPods and confirming they're connected to your iPhone. This routes audio correctly. Once done, open the Translate app and pick the 2 languages you need, because accurate language selection determines translation quality. Make sure microphone access is allowed so the app can hear you. If preferred, enable automatic listening for hands-free detection. These first steps get audio flowing and prevent lags. Do them now so the live translation session starts without technical interruptions. You now launch conversation mode to let both speakers interact naturally, because it separates who's speaking and routes the translated audio to your AirPods. Use automatic mic control for hands-free switching, or manually tap the mic if you need precise timing. Adjust volume either on the iPhone or by using the AirPods gesture so playback is audible. Speak in short phrases and pause briefly after each thought. This prevents mid-sentence cutoffs and ensures translations return cleanly into your ear. To wrap up, tap Done in conversation mode and optionally save the transcript for later review. This preserves important lines. If translations stutter or drop audio, make sure to toggle Bluetooth, restart your AirPods, or force close the Translate app. These quick resets clear transient glitches. If the wrong language is detected or translations are poor, manually set the languages again and speak more clearly with slight pauses. This improves recognition because the model gets a cleaner audio sample to translate.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.